Hey guys, good morning. As I'm looking this morning, just excuse it, okay? I tell you guys that I'm back and I'm really back, you know. Today I want to show you how they make me chicken ball for sale. So that's the chicken right there, and I'm about to prepare it. So I'm going to take you guys along, okay? If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Ignore the morning look and subscribe to my channel, alright? I love you. So for fun, they get me ginger, garlic and pepper, and they beat them very well. So next guys, I add my onions and Maggi cubes, okay? Guys, I can always put together Maggi because I don't want my chicken ball too white. After we are done beat my pepper, we put my chicken and then I pound that, okay? Guys, I forget to say at the record, so while I don't beat the chicken ball, I add this ingredient where we call corn and the oldie ball, and from there lastly I add granite, you guys. So this is it guys, the chicken ball. Oh guys, my chicken ball done ready. As you guys can see, this is my hot pepper, and my bread is already. I have my ketchup, pepper again, and the oil. All I need for this is for clean up and take a bath. Then I go for sale. Salon done for sale. As you can see, the rubber are empty now with the good plants, okay? At least let me save me ear shine. So then all they put on all done. Straight no more.
You know go
Auntie Gecko.
You know see the bag. Now me all agree come no see pass I will buy home.
So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is how your girl is looking, and with no earrings, no jewelries. This is how your babe is looking. Thank you so much for watching. If you do love this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down suitable comment for you to get a shout out on the next video. And today's shout out is going to Wabadi Najenti. Thank you so much for commenting on my video, and I really do appreciate you, okay? Bye guys.